Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in eBay Inc. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in eBay Inc., start by conducting some research on the company. Understand its business model, market position, and recent performance. Visit eBay's official website to gather information about their services and products. Review recent news articles and earnings reports to gauge the company's financial health. Next, choose a brokerage platform to facilitate your investment. Look for an online broker that offers access to U.S. stocks and has reasonable fees. Create an account on your chosen brokerage platform. Fill out the required information and submit any necessary identification documents. Once your account is set up, deposit funds into your brokerage account. Link your bank account for easy transfers, and make sure you have sufficient funds for your investment. Search for eBay Inc. on the brokerage platform using its stock ticker symbol, which is EBAY. Take a moment to review the stock's current price and historical performance charts. Determine how many shares you would like to buy based on your budget and investment strategy. Set a limit order if you prefer to purchase shares at a specific price. Alternatively, place a market order to buy shares at the current market price. Review and confirm your order before submitting it. After your purchase is confirmed, monitor your investment regularly. Stay updated with eBay's developments and financial reports. Consider setting a long-term investment strategy to align with your financial goals. Remember to diversify your portfolio to manage risk effectively. Continue learning about stocks and investing to enhance your knowledge over time. Make informed decisions based on research and market trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.